Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple, good taste and easy to take them out for picnic lunch. That is the onigini, which are my favorite. The ingredients from left to right are included sushi rice, dry fish floss, chicken breast or chicken leg meat, cooked prawn, salt, white pepper, and onigini mold. Last but not the least, you also need a big size of seaweed. The one I bought from the supermarket have already been wrapped up with the plastic bag. Okay, so let's get started. here you go. The oniginis are ready to serve. Apparently, people have some problem with open the onigini, and so I'm going to show you the tips. First of all, you will see there is a tape right down one on the top of it, and then you pull the tape all the way through it, and then you pull out the part 2 plastic bag, and then the part 3 on the left. And then here you go, the onigini is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and I will be seeing you very soon. See you next time. Bye!